Hello, welcome to another project update. So, for the past few days, I have been working on the file select menu, specifically. Alright, so I've been doing kind of two things at the same time. One, I've been rewriting a lot of the code for the file select menu. Uh, Previously, I made the mistake of uh, how should I put this? Well, what I used to be doing is I used to go through all the little buttons here, and I would click on the button, and I'd go to node, and I'd right click the pressed, and I click connect, and then I'd pick like the target, and then I'd basically type in get a button pressed on whichever target, and I'd click connect. I don't do that anymore, but yeah, I think it was a bad idea because it made it very difficult to, I guess, debug things. I would have like all the what this is here is a it's a Godot is it's the Godot engine's event system. So when a certain event happens with like button down, button up, pressed or toggled, it would fire off like what the engine calls a signal, and that signal would trigger code. And so what I've been doing is I've been going through all of the menus and getting rid of all of the little handmade signals that I've been defining through this editor here, and replacing them with signals that I've defined directly in the code. Uh, I guess I could show you an example of that. Actually, the best example of that would probably be the copy file menu. Let's get rid of that. That's not needed anymore. Okay. Actually, no, maybe this isn't the best example. Let's just do file select menu. All right. Just ignore that. So I have all the menu buttons defined. File select button 1, 2, and 3. And then I have the signals button up. I could replace it with button down, but I thought button up would be better because I don't know. My idea is that a button isn't fully pressed until you press it down and then pull it and then unpress it. I consider that a full press. So, anyways, you click the button or press it, and then it fires off on save file button, and then for that save file button, it does whatever. If it's null, then it opens the new game menu. Otherwise, it'll continue menu. So that's kind of one thing that I've been doing. And then the copy and erase menus are basically just extended versions of. Right, so erase file menu is literally just a extension of file select menu, and same with the copy menu. Oh, interesting. Well, this is redundant. Get rid of that. We don't need that. All right, so the other thing I've been doing is I've been adding sound effects to the this menu system here. It's kind of the big thing that I've been trying to do, like a little necessary thing for polish. So I've temporarily disabled, or I've muted the music so you can actually properly hear the sounds. So I'm gonna press any button right now. So now when I move the cursor around, oh, there's a little bit of an error here. It should say copy file 1 to file 2, or copy, yeah. I guess the placeholder text there isn't getting replaced like it should be. So I just chose cancel. Yeah, as you can see, all the menu buttons, the right sound effects are playing. I just chose to load the save file. And there we go. And load it in. And I don't have sound effects on this menu just yet. But yeah, that's probably it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.